Hello, good morning to all. I am Nikhat Fatima from GG College. Today's our topic is degrees of comparison. Comparison of adjectives. Adjectives that simply describe features of a noun such as its size, age, color, and shape are said to be in positive degree. As in, he is a strong man and the butterfly is beautiful. Here is the content, the degrees of comparison, kinds of degrees of comparison, positive degree, degree of equality, degree of inequality, comparative degree, progressive degree, parallel degree, superlative degree, and exercises are also given here. The degrees of comparison. The degrees of comparison in English grammar are made with the adjective and adverb words to show how big or small, how high or low, more or less, many or few, etc., of the qualities, numbers, and positions of the nouns in comparison to the others mentioned in the other part of a sentence or expression. Here, kinds are given: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. In positive degree, you have degree of equality and inequality. In comparative degree, you have progressive degree and parallel, and superlative degree is also there. We will see what is a positive degree. One noun, person, thing, or place, and one quality, above average. Adjective is in the positive degree are also used when we compare two things, people, etc., and say that the quality is present equally in both of them. For example, Mohan is as tall as his brother. And the table in the room is as large as the one outside. Degree of equality. Here, the adjective or adverb is in positive form, showing that two persons or things are the same, two nouns having the same quality. The common conjunctions used is as. John is as strong as James. Strong, adjective in positive form. Okay, it is showing equality. As strong as. Now we will look at degree of inequality. The adjective or adverb is in positive form, showing that two persons or things are not the same, two nouns not having the same quality. Peter is not as fast as Paul, or Peter is not so fast as Paul. Okay, it is showing inequality. Now we will see what is a comparative degree. Two people, things, or places are being compared with one adjective or adverb to show that one has more quality or quantity of the adjective or adverb than the other. The adjective or adverb takes are or er to its positive form and is said to be in comparative form. The conjunction than is used to connect the two clauses. For example, a horse can run faster than a dog. What is a comparative degree? When we compare two people, places, etc., and say that equality is not present equally in the two, we use the comparative degree of the adjective. The comparative form is always followed by than, except in some cases, such as in inferior to and superior to. For example, your pencil is longer than mine and the flower is more beautiful than its picture in the book. Here progressive degree and parallel degree are there. We will see what is a progressive degree. Two adjectives or adverbs are being compared to show that one continues to increase or decrease when the other increases or decreases. The adjective or adverb is in its comparative form with the definite article the before it. For example, the steeper the hill, the more difficult it is to push the rock up. This is a progressive degree. Now we will see what is a parallel degree of comparative degree. The quality or quantity of the adjective or adverb continues to increase or decrease as the time passes. The adjective or adverb is in its comparative form is repeated using the conjunction and. The example, the days are getting hotter and hotter. It is getting hotter and hotter day by day. These are the examples of parallel degree of comparative degree. And the last type is superlative degree. It is used for comparing one noun, person, thing or place with several others of its kind to show that this particular noun has the highest degree of the quality or quantity of the adjective or adverb being used to compare. Okay, when three or more things, animals, etc., are compared and they have a particular quality in the in unequal measure, we use the superlative degree of the adjective. Remember that this form of the adjective always has the definite article the before it. The adjective or adverb takes the superlative form ending with st or est with the definite article the before it. Okay. The preposition of is used when the comparison is among items, and in is used to specify the place, position or area. For example, Susan is the most intelligent girl in the class. Here are some examples. The elephant is the largest of all land animals. The giraffe is the tallest of all animals. Here is exercise. You can do this exercise. And note this, adjectives of one syllable that do not end in the letter E form the comparative degree by the addition of ER and the superlative degree by the addition of EST, as in high, higher, highest. In the case of adjectives of one syllable ending in E, only R and EST are added, as in brave, braver, bravest. If an adjective of one syllable ends in a single consonant and has a short vowel before it, the final consonant is doubled and ER and EST are added, as in thin, thinner, thinnest. You must remember all this. Adjectives of two syllables that end in the letter Y form the comparative degree by dropping the final letter and adding IER, and the superlative degree by the addition of IEST. Example, easy, easier, easiest. Adjectives of two syllables that end in the letters LE form the comparative degree by adding R and the superlative degree by the addition of ST. Example, simple, simpler, simplest. And some adjectives of two syllables take the words more and most before them to form their comparative and superlative degrees, as in famous, more famous, most famous. Other two syllable adjectives form their comparative and superlative degrees by adding either er and est or more and most. Example: clever, cleverer, or more clever, and cleverest or more cleverest. And adjectives of three or more syllables always form the comparative and superlative degrees by using the words more and most. Example: valuable, more valuable, and most valuable. And irregular ways of forming the comparative and superlative degrees. Adjectives that have irregular ways of forming the comparative and superlative degrees. Example: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Okay, so this is uh, this is all about degrees of comparison. Thank you.